Any second now. Come on. Come on, Mr. Grouper. Yep, that's a fish. You're pulling them toward us. That's a good sign. All right, we got a grouper on. That's good though. It's because I'm going fast. If I slow it down, you'll feel his head shake. I just want to make sure he's away from the rock.
I did feel a little head shake.
All right, then that's good.
Little guy.
Oh yeah, little tiny grouper to start the day. So you catch it. We'll catch 1 million of those on the bottom. What is that? What are you doing? He's got it. There you go. That's a good fish. Yep, that's a good fish. Start reel. Just try to reel when you can. Get some line.
One in or no?
No, leave it out there. Get them off the bottom. There you go. That's a good fish. I just was hoping to get the 30-incher first. So my goal is always to put 2 in. Oh, hey, you got fish, 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 fish. Get him up, start reeling, start reeling. Get him out of there. Get him out, get him out. Get him out. That's a big one. Yeah, you got a good one.
That's a better one.
Yep, you both got, his isn't very big, but you see when I leave a rod in the rod holder? All right, we got some grouper action now. Do we need to net that one?
It's a bigger fish.
Don't, oh, you just let him in the rock, didn't you?
No,
I literally, yeah.
Oh, he's in the rock.
Well,
All right, don't put a lot of pressure on him then. We'll back up to him. You weren't reeling fast enough. Don't put too much pressure on him. He's out. Be easy on him. Yeah, double up. He came out easy. Come on, let's hope for a keeper fish.
This ain't a keeper, is it?
No, but this one is. That's a keeper fish.
Yeah, that's a good fish.
That's a keeper all day.
You popped him right out easy, eh?
Well, you got a grouper dinner.
Yeah.
It's definitely a keeper fish. See, he's shorter on mine. Oh, he's almost 26. 26 yeah, pinch tail, he's 26. All right, get a picture of your keeper Gag.
You're up fishing.
See, that's the rocky one and all the scars. Right there. All right, that's a beautiful looking fish. So,
Be a good cheap fish,
I just went over it, so it should be another. Oh, there it is.
Whoa, whoa.
That's
Double?
He's got a big one. He's got a big grouper. Grab the reel. Grab the reel slowly.
Cool.
Get him out of that rock. Dude, that's a freaking giant.
We're gonna need another net, huh?
Tighten the drag of hair if you have to. Is he coming toward us? Dude, that's a 30 plus. That's a 30 plus. Holy crap. That is an absolute giant. All right, I'm gonna start slowing us down. Do you think you got him off the bottom? I'm gonna keep going a little bit, but you both got a keeper, but you got a 30 plus, dude. Oh, his is on surface. You can slow down with yours. Yours is still fighting. You got a 30 plus. Yeah. His doesn't look very big. Joe's got a big one. I guess Joe's is 34 inches. Keep him out of that rock. Don't let him die. Is he in the rock?
It's up to you, whatever you think.
What?
Right now.
The knot on the leader broke?
Yeah, I think that's what happened. The knot come off.
Keep the rod still. Try to reel. Try to reel.
Oh yeah, it's a better fish.
All right, you're losing line. When I say grab the reel, this is better than trying to reel. Just hold the rod. We'll drag them. Now try to reel some. Reel down and grab the reel. Okay, you gotta stop losing line.
You got something? You ain't got bottom because if you had bottom.
Yeah, it'd be dragging. You both got a fish.
You both got a fish.
All right.
Either that, you got the same fish.
Yeah, we might.
He's got a keeper.
I think we might be tangled up here.
Yeah, I think they're together.
I think so too.
No, maybe not.
Try to keep the rod lower to the water. That's where your power is. The power's in front of you. You get behind your head, you got no power. There you go. Fine. Come on, get us a 28. Oh, he's coming in foul hooked. He might not be that big. Yeah, that's his gills we saw. That wasn't his mouth. He's coming in backwards.
Coming in backwards.
Yeah, that's not a big fish. All right, get ready. We just went over the rock. Oh, it's still hitting bottom. Reel it in a little bit.
I hit bottom.
Oh, that was a fish.
That was a fish.
There it is. There it is. He's got him. He just ate it.
Got him?
Get him up. This is awesome. Ain't nothing better than grouper fishing. He just had a bite. Oh, that's a fish. Double hookup. That's a big one. Nice fish. You like this spot? Yeah. He's got a big one. Remember, get rod a little closer to the water.
Mine might be bigger.
He's got a big fish.
This one doesn't feel huge.
I think he's got a keeper on this side. That one might hit 24. Hey, we should net that fish. That's a keeper. That is a 24. Here you go, net him. That is a 24.
It's gonna be close.
He's longer than the 23 we just let go. That's a 24.
You think so?
Yeah.
I think he is a keeper.
I think that's a keeper.
He's an inch longer than the one we just let go. And then this one is even smaller. What the heck? You keep catching the small guys.
Not that small.
They're both about 24 inches.
I was gonna say,
All right.
that could be a keeper.
Where's the other net?
You're gonna want a net.
We need 2 nets.
Another net.
That is another keeper.
Hey, man, you might have got one there.
That's a nice double.
Close.
There's a pile of grouper on that spot.
Get him.
Haha, nice. That's a nice double.
Brian's.
Huh?
Both of y'all having to get.
That's a big one. Tighten the dragger hair. No, hold it. Just hold the reel. Gently. Just put your finger on the reel.
Yeah, right.
Just like that. Don't
Where's that drag for
you
me?
let go of a little bit. Don't hold it.
Okay.
Don't hold it. Just when you need to, just hold it.
Gotcha.
That is a giant, dude. Or let him run a little bit if he has to.
Okay, I got it.
When you think you can hold it, that is a freaking giant. That is a freaking monster. He's coming toward us. I'm not gonna even stop the boat. It is a giant. He's coming toward us. That's a great sign. That is a great sign. Let's just hope he's coming upward. He's gonna give up soon. They can only fight for so long.
Yeah.
He's slowing down for sure. So hopefully he starts to come up with his mouth open. You got a whale. I don't think you have to hold the reel anymore. So if he needs to take a little bit.
I don't know how tight the drag is.
He's not going to go down. We got him away from the rock, so we're definitely in a good spot right now. A lot better than we were with his grouper. See if you can gain any line on him.
I don't think so.
All right, I'm gonna slow down a hair. He should be coming up. I was trying to wait till he hit the surface. I don't want to lose this fish. Keep the rod as high as you can so it puts restriction and brings them up. There you go. Now slowly reel. You can't reel?
Can't reel.
It's too tight. That's a heavy fish. It might be better to put it back in the rod holder and crank.
Yeah.
Here, put it in this rod holder.
Sure.
Put it in this rod holder right here and try to crank. That is a heavy fish. This is a 20-pound grouper.
Can you reel this one in or?
No, just leave it out there. He's out of the way. Oh, shit, he just hit a rock. Sucks, that's the second giant.
I don't know, maybe I should have held the rod and just kept trolling. He would have come up.
I think I got him, actually.
You got it too.
Yeah, he's huge. Head first. Remember, go head first and violent.
If I can.
Don't. He's not ready. Don't put that net in the water.
There in front of you.
I'm gonna turn him toward you.
He's gonna turn him.
Now go head first and fast. That's not fast. You gotta get the whole fish in there. There you go.
Sorry. Thanks, Joe.
There you go.
Oh, what the hell is that?
That's a 32. Here. The baby grouper. A big snapper. Wow.
Get that one in, man.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome.
Look at that. Hold them. That's a nice fish.
Yeah, that's
First drop.
Let's get a cool.
Hey, he's running out like a mango. That's a grouper. Alright, so the rock is under the boat. You always think it's a big mango and it's always a little grouper.
I don't know how big.
That's nice. That's a grouper. Don't let him in the rock. Let's hope for giant mangoes. But it's always a grouper. Yep, grouper. Alright. Did you get in the rock? What the heck? How'd that fall off? Alright, well we got fish on both sides of us then, because he just got a fish. There you go, you're both hooked. That's a big one. Look at that one dive. Big snapper, look at him. He's got the snapper rod over there. He's got a grouper. It's already stopped fighting. Dead weight. You'll see the pile of grouper here. So he's got the grouper and you got the snapper. That's funny. They're both 2 and 2. And you guys have the exact same setup. That's the hilarious part.
It's gotta be 10. It's gotta be 10.
He's a keeper. They gotta be 10 in state water, 12 in federal water. Yeah, they're all grouper. The pile of these little things down there. Oh, there we go. He just ate the pinfish.
Oh yeah, you think a bigger grouper maybe?
Not very big. But look at the pile of fish that just showed up under the sonar.
Oh, look at that snapper.
That's a grunt. Alright, who wants the grouper? On the pinner?
Yeah.
Okay. There's a pile of them down there. Just keep weeding through them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, buddy. That's a keeper.
Might be a keeper.
It's definitely a keeper.
Pretty damn close.
See, that's how you butterfly a pinfish and catch a keeper. They always like a struggling or a dead bait. The little live ones usually catch small gags. That's another keeper fish though. There we go. 3, 2, oh, he's got it. Yep, that's a grouper. Oh, he went right into the rock. I felt him. I'll try it with no tail. See how bloody this one is now? See, he's gonna leave a blood trail. See, sometimes just a live pinfish struggling down there isn't enough. Like a little bit of scent will get him excited. Look, I already got one. Watch how quick it takes. Look, I already got, look, I got one on now. Right there. A little guy. That.
I was not paying attention.
A little grunter.
It's pretty small, whatever.
Grouper. Let's see a snapper. Grouper. Well, there must be a rock over there if you're catching baby grouper left and right.
Several of these.
Got a little fight to that one.
A little bit.
Let's hope for a snapper. I just reeled it in.
I hope it's a snapper. I haven't caught one yet. We'll see.
Every time they put up a good fight, it's a grouper. Hey, big mango! I guess
Triple hooks, man.
I guess I should have netted them. I'm not even excited for them, and it's a mango. I thought I had a grunt. Nice. On the grouper rod with a 6/0 circle hook. Pull the hook 'em on. Oh, Jesus.
Bring them over.
Keeper Greg on 10-pound test. Oh yeah, buddy.
A nice one, yeah. Is he ready?
On the little trout rod. Just snook. I heard him splash. I think he got a small snook. Oh, that thing is tiny. Tiny snooky.
It's sitting there about a foot from shore.
Baby snook. That's a keeper redfish.
Little redfish.
Well, I guess there's a couple here.
Got a double fish.
Oh, it's a black drum, a snagged black drum. There are some fish here.
Yeah, there are. There's tons of fish, and we were getting one
I know
right
that's
before you got
Oh wow.
in that same spot.
This is a keeper drum.
You got a drum too, huh?
Yeah, while we're talking, we just got a keeper drum. Fish, hook him. There you go. I saw him swimming with it before you hooked it. Alright, the fish are here. Small redfish. It's the right species, wrong size. Now, at least there's one. This is how it was the other day. We caught a couple of small ones and then they started getting bigger. They're sitting right up in that shadow line. Well, the sun just went away. Now it's hard to see. Nice. The little snooker or red? Small red. Oh, we found the right species now. Are you rock? Are you snagged? What the heck? Do you have a fish or not?
Yeah.
What?
He's got a fish now. It doesn't look that big, but.
A little tiny redfish. How are you snagged and had a little red?
I don't know.
That's weird. Little guy? A little bit bigger?
A little bit bigger. That one's bigger.
I'm just trying to get the sun out of the video. That's a keeper fish.
There we go.
Alright, they're here. Just open the bill. That's a nice river red.
Yeah.
That's what we came for, right there. See you guys? That's what we came for. That's a nice one. That's a good fish. It's coming around. That's a good one.
Get out of the way. Get the redfish.
Oh, it's a keeper red. Yeah, he came up and shook his head like a snook. That's crazy. That's a 23-inch red. On a mud minnow. No, just a circle hook. They literally just hit the water, so there must be a pile of them sitting there. It was instant. It was right in that shadow. There you go. Nice. That's a snook. Dude, you got a big snook. That might be a keeper snook. Nice fish.
Oh, wow.
All right, reel it in. He's got a keeper snook.
Then popping over, trying to pop it over the rock. Like you said.
Yeah, a lot of times a snook will chase it.
Oh,
Snook. Oh, big snook. So that's why I was saying throw artificial. That's probably what they want.
yeah, and I did 3/4 cast.
That's coming around the boat. Back up, guys. Let him go around you, or under you. Is it a big snook or a little guy?
I ain't seen it.
I heard him jump. Oh, he's almost slot. That's a 27. We need a trout to get a slam now.
Mud minnow when I was reeling it in.
Just reeling in a dead mud.
I'm reeling in real slow.
It's a nice snooky. Oh, that looks like a keeper fish. He's close. That's a nice fish. Alright, nice fishy.